Hello everyone. It's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com, and today I have a surprise for you guys, a bonus surprise. Stay tuned till I tell you the whole deal. Introducing the 49 in market Wanderlust Explorer interactive layout pages. Just take a look at these amazing pages. They're full of interactive features. They have tons of spot for photos or journaling or a combination of both if that's what you like to do. Now, here's the surprise. If you purchase the Wanderlust Explorer collection from us, then guess what? The PDF, the full color step-by-step PDF on how to build these amazing layouts are yours for free. If you haven't already purchased it from us, well, what are you waiting for? You can head on over to the store. We still have it in stock. So do so before the stock runs out. Go ahead and purchase your supplies from SpectrumArtCreations.com. And in the comments, in the notes, when you check out, you can go ahead and simply let me know. Please email me the PDF for the interactive layouts, and I will be happy to do that. I'll leave my email here on screen for those of you who already purchased. Then you can go ahead and email me, and again, I will reply back with a step-by-step full color instructions to create these amazing interactive layouts. Don't forget that we also have an album binder kit that is also available in the online store, so make sure you check that out as well. If you love to make albums, well, there is going to be not only a PDF to go along with that, but also a full video tutorial. So go check those out, and I will also see you on these next videos right here. Just click on one of those for more information and inspiration.